Mercedes-Benz has a cool looking blind spot assist mirror. I have a cooler looking Honda S2000. Let us combine both. Search BSM to find a blind spot monitoring kit. Do not type in BDSM in your search engine. The kit I purchased looks like this. This is my own custom LED wiring. These are the two microwave 2.4 GHz sensors. There is plenty of wiring for connections. There's tape and cable ties. This is the power wiring with a beeper. Later you'll see the beeper sounds when you indicate and there is a vehicle in your blind spot. Silicone is included for sensor installation. The sensors are taped and then bonded as well. The kit has LEDs that mount to the internal pillar. The warning internal LED is easily mounted. Just tape the LED onto the pillar. Easy mount, but not cool. Remember when I added indicators to my mirrors? The plan is to mount red LEDs into the mirrors. Remove the door trim. Use a long extension with a 10mm socket and take off 3 nuts holding the mirror. Carefully remove the mirror. Undo the central screw to remove the rubber plate. Undo 3 screws holding the base of the mirror. Use a perforated cable tie as a wire threader. The new LED will sit next to the indicator LED. Replace the mirror. Replace the 3 10mm nuts. These are the spare wires from my threaded Cat5 cable. 2 wires to the indicators, 2 wires to the new red LEDs. Make sure the wires do not cross the power window tracks. Test the wiring and put the door card back on. Remove the rear bumper. Feed the wire through past a grommet. Clean the inside corners of the bumper. Stick the sensors in place. Place silicone around the edge of the sensor when it is in place. Use the supplied cable ties to attach the wiring. The wire is fed to the front of the car. Tuck the wire under carpet and trim panels. The reverse wire is connected so the system turns off in reverse gear. This shows the red LED when I walk into the blind spot. The sensors do not come on when you drive up to a car. This helps to show cars approaching from behind. This is a good design as it does not show cars that you are passing. The monitor also connects to your car indicators. If you are indicating to change lanes and a car appears in your blind spot, a brief beeper sounds. Thanks for watching.